Berhanu has been preaching in Ethiopia since he was a boy. After university, he received the opportunity to serve as a global mission pioneer, and he jumped at the chance. When Berhanu arrived as a pioneer to this town, there were no Adventists. He began mingling in the community, and as he got to know the people, he invited them for a Bible study. Now an Adventist group meets often in a small rented building. One of Berhanu's favorite things to do is sing and play his guitar, and today he sings one of his favorite songs. The words translate to, "We must wake up. Jesus is coming." After the song, Berhanu shares a message from his heart. Most of the people who attend work on government farms in the area, and many are far from home and family. It is easy to feel lonely and isolated here, so Berhanu has focused on gathering the people and building a sense of community and friendship. After a long work week, the people enjoy hearing his messages. Solomon is one of these individuals. He moved to this town to work on a farm, but he found it to be very lonely. One day he ran into Berhanu on the street. As the two of them talked, they realized they were from the same village. They instantly became friends, and Solomon joined the small group meetings. As Solomon continued attending, this new congregation became like his extended family, and Berhanu's words constantly tugged at Solomon's heart. God's love and the group's family atmosphere filled a hole that was missing in his life in this new town. He decided to give his life to God and has become a permanent member of this congregation. Berhanu regularly meets with this group and also walks 2 hours to meet with another group. His work can be tireless and challenging, but he finds hope and strength in Jesus. Berhanu is just one of hundreds of global mission pioneers around the world. Please pray for them as they lead people to know Christ. Pray that these pioneers can overcome the challenges they face in their territories. Thank you for your support in sending pioneers into the field.